Hello, in this video I'm going to be installing Bodhi Linux 2.3.0 inside of VirtualBox. VirtualBox is installed now. If you've needed to see, obviously most people know how to install, it's just installing it. I mean, when I first heard about it I thought it was this like mythical creature, but it's not. You just install it and this is a box and this is it. So I want to install an operating system in this that will allow me to try out this operating system without it actually installing the OS on my computer. So we're going to start. Click New. Okay, welcome. Next. So we're going to name it Bodhi Linux is awesome. So you can name it anything you want. And let's put, yeah, look at emphasis. Wow, with the space. See, even grammatical differences. So you make sure it says Linux or whatever your OS is, and this is the important part. This is 32-bit and 64-bit. If it's 32-bit and you choose 64-bit, it will not work. So you have to choose the one that your ISO is exactly. Mine is 64-bit. So click Next. It's your base memory size. You kind of want to jack this up a bit. So let's say you do a 1 gig of RAM. That will speed things up quite a bit, because I tried making another one of these videos and I did 256 and it was kind of slowish. So yeah, let's click Next. Startup disk, fine. Virtual disk image, fine. And dynamically located. All these things, those past three screens you can just click through because they don't have much relevance unless you want to tweak something. So this is the same here. The screen, you just you choose how big it is, but it's dynamically allotted. So I think it could even get bigger if you wanted to. You know, it can get bigger. Okay, next. Just kidding. Ha ha ha. Okay, I've just lost my audience. Create. So our virtual box is now created. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Virtual machine is now created. Well, now it is. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Huh. It did. I did click it twice. It did the same thing to me. It's trying to mess my life up. Okay, so this is it installed, and this is your first run wizard. So in this, you're going to point it to where your ISO is. You click Next. You choose where your ISO is. So in this case, it's in here. Open. Bodhi 2.3.0 64 ISO. Okay, next. Start. Oh my gosh, it's like a computer booting up. Whoa, what's this menu? For those who don't know about this menu, this is like Linux's menu where you can choose what to do. There's different options, but usually 99% of the time you're going to click Live. And Bodhi now has boot into RAM. That's a pretty cool feature, but let's do Live. And what this is doing is, just for anyone who doesn't know, or I don't know, you're just watching this out of interest, it's installing, or it's loading up the operating system, and it's just letting you try it. You don't have to commit to installing an OS, a foreign OS you have no idea about. You have no idea if you'll like it, and you're gonna install it. So this is a great way to try something out, and a new OS out. And then you can choose if you want to install it on your computer. How great is that? And the one thing to remember as well is that inside of VirtualBox it might take a bit longer, and it never reflects the true operating system's speed unless you're talking about Ubuntu, which is monstrously slow, especially on my netbook. Never install Ubuntu on a netbook. I don't recommend it. Install Bodhi Linux. It's so much better. So much better. And don't worry about that little thing. Plix for SM bus, that's nothing. It's nothing. What's that even say? Upgrade? I don't even know. And those little U's, those are like decorative, you know? Those aren't anything wrong. It's I'm guessing the U's have something to do with Bodhi Linux. Because it's not my fault. Just having some fun, yo. Alright, that wasn't gangster. Alright, let's start this up. Come on. I've noticed this new Bodhi Linux ISO is a bit slower. I don't know why. Possibly they've gained some weight. Maybe that's why. I don't know. Okay, you choose this desktop, and you can choose a theme. Wow, Egypt. That's a cool new theme. Miguel. That's an older one, but I think revamped. Actually, it's a new one. I think they're all new, except for Angelic, which is version 6. Holy shit! So they're really changing stuff. I haven't used Bodhi Linux in a little while, mainly because I've been seeing someone else, but I don't like to really commit to operating systems. But I did get married to a real woman. I have issues with operating systems though. So anyways, this is Bodhi Linux. Wow, this is cool. I like this. So this is how to install anything you want inside of a virtual box. I hope you've enjoyed this video and have took something away. If not, send some hate mail to my way. No, just kidding. Please, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll try to get back to them. I will get back to them. I really will. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later.